Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you just how you can create a negative keyword list in your Google Ads account to apply to your campaigns. But before we get stuck into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell button so you are notified of future awesome episodes that we cover. All right, so today's video, we're going to talk you through how exactly you can create a negative keyword list to apply to your campaigns. But first, if you don't know what a negative keyword is, essentially that's a word that's sort of added into the back end of your Google Ads system to prevent your ads for showing up for certain terms. So for example, you might, if you're a dentist in Sydney, for example, you might want to add the word free as a negative keyword to prevent your ad from showing up for when somebody might type into Google free dentist Sydney. You get the idea. Okay. Now you want to use a negative keyword list really if you're running multiple campaigns and you want those negative keywords to apply to multiple campaigns. It kind of really just makes your job easier from a management point of view. So I've run a Google ad agency for, I don't know, 8 years now at the time of this recording. And often in my agency, we use negative keyword lists that if we find a keyword that we never want to come up again in the search term, rather than applying it to every single campaign that we're running, we have a negative keyword list, like a master list, which is automatically applied to all the campaigns. And therefore, we only really have to add the negative keyword to the one list, and then that's automatically rolled out to all those campaigns. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a negative keyword list. So we're in a Google Ad account. I'm going to go to Tools and Settings, and then I'm going to click on Negative Keyword Lists. Okay, now you can actually have multiple lists, and often we do, but that's probably a topic for another video. So when you go to this section, you might find that you've got nothing here. Obviously, we have a list here, but I'm going to show you just how you can create one from scratch. I'm going to click on the plus icon. I'm going to call it generic negs, or generic negative keywords. And here I'm going to paste in the negative keywords that I want to add to my list. All right, so quickly I'm going to go to my Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to copy all of these, and I'm going to go paste. And these are all really sort of like, we've sort of used a thesaurus, a whole bunch of keywords that we want to prevent our ads from showing for. Okay, now you're going to add it like this with no syntax around it or anything, no inverted commas or square brackets, because we're not doing exact match stuff. We're adding it as a negative broad match, which will mean that it won't show. And so that's all we do. And then we hit save. And you can see here that it hasn't been applied to any campaigns. Okay, so we've got 82 keywords here, but it's not currently applied to any campaigns. Okay, so you can click on this to apply to campaigns, and then you can add it to your campaigns, because currently you've created your list, but the next step is to apply it to the campaigns, obviously. All right, so you would do that and then apply that list to whatever campaigns that you want the negs added to. And you know, in a week's time or 2 weeks' time, when you're looking through your search terms and you find one that you want to add, all you got to do is you go to the negative keyword list here, and you can add a keyword, and you can append or add a negative keyword to that existing list that way. Alrighty, so thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, subscribe and stay tuned for future episodes. See ya.